It is now very clear to us and to the people of Kenya that IEBC is totally compromised, and we are happy that this has been confirmed this early, because had this not been confirmed this early, they could have duped Kenyans that they can supervise and pretend over the general elections. For the first time since the electoral history of Kenya, IEBC has confirmed that they will be using uniformed officers and plainclothes officers. Those plainclothes officers is a tool for ballot stuffing. IEBC has given ballot papers to government agencies that have been pre-marked, and the officers in civilian, their work is to figure out how to get the pre-marked ballots into the ballot box. In Bere, for example, Bere North, 15,000 pre-marked ballots are being distributed now in a hotel 2 kilometers from Ebu town, where Kindiki is supervising. And these officers have been instructed to go to the polling stations, some pretending to be agents, others to be observers, others to be keeping security. The plan in Bere North is that 1,500 gangsters from Kayole and Dekambura in Kikuyu are in Bere. And their mission is to create chaos outside the polling stations so that the police officers inside can create more chaos, pretending to be agents. And in that situation of chaos, the pre-marked ballots will be put into the ballot boxes. Thereafter, the police will arrive and keep peace, and things will go back to normal, and then the voting will continue. By that time, the pre-marked ballot papers will have been in the ballot box already. We are therefore saying, and the CEO of IEBC, Marjan, is in Bere North himself overseeing that exercise. Let me ask government not to provoke the people of Bere North and the people of Kenya. Those people will not accept that situation. And I can tell you they are aware and they are waiting. And I think for IEBC, they have lost an opportunity to work on some credibility where Kenyans can believe that they can be trusted to oversee the general election.